The air filter must be regularly cleaned to remove dust and dirt in order to avoid carburetor malfunctions, starting problems, loss of engine power, unnecessary wear to engine parts, and excessive fuel consumption. After taking off the air filter cover, remove the air filter. Clean the filter by brushing or shaking it. Do not use compressed air or you will damage the filter. The filter can be cleaned more thoroughly by washing it in water and detergent. When refitting, make sure that the air filter seals tightly against the air filter holder. Let it dry before using. An air filter that has been in use for a long time cannot be cleaned completely and should be replaced. A Husqvarna chainsaw can be equipped with different types of air filters according to working conditions, weather, season, etc. Contact your local Husqvarna dealer if you need further assistance. Also, refer to the manual for further maintenance and storage information.